Okay, good morning, Mr. Harvey. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
All right, fine, thank you. So, Mr. Harvey, I just want to ask you one question is how did you get to know our treatment here in Telehealth Plus Stem Cells 21?
My lawyer, Rupert Shore, was the one who recommended originally taking the alternative medicine treatment called stem cell research. Then he went and checked on a fair amount of places to go to, and yours is the only one he came up with that was valid.
Right.
So then after we got that information, I took it to Dr. Shaw, and he checked it all,
Right.
and he said that I'm okay to go.
Okay. Okay.
So I phoned, I made the connection, found out how much it was, paid for it,
Right.
and then came here.
So, what is your main health problem, your health issue?
I had a major heart attack in 2012.
Yes.
I also have COPD, which I've been told in the last 3 or 4 months that it's quite advanced. I've had pulmonary embolisms. I've had, I do have asthma back again.
Yeah.
So my breathing has been very difficult.
Right. So we saw you on the first day when you came here into our clinic. You were like you're not breathing well, you're breathless, and you have.
Well, when I came here, I mean, the flight over here was very, very hard. I was only able to get maybe a quarter of a breath, and I was gasping for air pretty much all the time. And it's been progressively getting worse. Imagine if you had 150 pounds sitting on your chest.
Yeah.
So it makes it very difficult to breathe. The first day I came here, and I walked into this premise at, what's the name of this street?
So Rudy.
Okay,
Yeah.
I came to the facility, and I walked through the elevator, and it didn't look like a hospital. It looked like a 5-star hotel. It's actually nicer than the hotel I'm staying at.
Right.
And the nurses and the people here were very courteous and very efficient. They immediately started me on one treatment. I think it was a laser treatment and an oxygen treatment, and they gave me some other medication. That was on I can't remember if I had the stem cell treatment at the same time.
Not on the first day.
Yeah, the second day I had the stem cell treatment, and the next day after that, it was like I felt like I could have climbed the mountain. That my airways were so clear, and then it's just progressively gotten better. Some days I do feel backwards, but for the most part, I can take a deep breath now. So for the amount of time that I've been here and the results that I've got, it's phenomenal.
Right. So, Mr. Harvey, you told me that, back home in Canada.
Mr. Paul Collier, very, very nice man. He's very dedicated to what he believes in this business, and I really believe that he will go far in this business.
Right. What about the doctors and the nurses giving you treatment?
The nurses.
Who are the doctors?
The doctors are terrible. No, the doctors are great. The nurses, they're very good. They're very efficient, and they treat you with the utmost respect.
Yeah.
So I couldn't be happier with the way I was treated here.
So my question is, if you get back home, would you talk to your colleagues, your friends, your doctors?
I won't really have to talk to them because they know how bad I was before. And when they see me now, then they'll start asking questions.
Yeah, right.
But I am going to talk to some people in Canada. Physicians and surgeons is one place that I'm going to make an appointment to see.
Right. Yeah.
My Dr. Shaw, Dr. Simkus, Dr. Gagnon, they're all specialists, and they're all wanting to know how the procedure went, and I will tell them.
Right. Okay.
So if you see me dancing, then you know it works.
Yeah, we would love to see you go back to the old days, like the old days, go back dancing.
That would be nice.
Right. Yeah. And hope, we hope and we wish you all the best
Thank you.
We really thank you for trusting in our treatment and our services, and like we recommended to you that you come back for a follow-up treatment. When will you plan to come back?
February.
In February next year? Yes. Okay.
I just wish it was across the street, because that
you can come.
the airplane ride here is ridiculous.
Yes, right. I understand.
I want to get the follow-up, and I want to get the maximum out of my treatment if I can.
Yes, right. And we will keep in touch with you also on your improvement, and you can send your improvement by email, so we'll keep in touch with you, Mr. Harvey.
Yeah, I'll give you pictures even with walking with my dogs.
Right, we would love to see that.
Yeah.
So I would like to thank you so much for giving us some little bit of talk, and
It's been my pleasure.
your very old experience with our clinic, with our treatment here.
No, I wish more people knew about it.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Harvey. Right.